Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert HEIC photos into standard JPG images on your Mac using I Love IMG, no downloads or installs required. Let's dive in. First, open Safari or your favorite browser and navigate to iloveimg.com/convert to JPG/HEIC to JPG. I'll leave the link in the description. Once the page loads, click Select Images to upload your HEIC photos. You can drag and drop files directly into the browser or import them from Google Drive or Dropbox. After your images upload, you'll see two quality options: recommended quality for a balance of file size and clarity, or high quality, premium, to preserve the original resolution. Choose the setting that best fits your needs. Next, click Convert to JPG and watch the progress bar. In just a few seconds, your HEIC files will be transformed into JPG images. When the conversion is complete, click Download Converted Images to save a zip file containing all your new JPGs to your Downloads folder. Unzip it, and you'll have crisp, widely compatible images ready to use everywhere. And that's it. Fast, free, and entirely online with I Love IMG. If this tutorial helped you out, hit like, subscribe for more simple Mac tips, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.